how to crochet the treble crochet. So the treble crochet is really just an upgrade or the next step from a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over and pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times until you only have 1 working loop left. Now the standard turning chain or beginning chain for a treble crochet is 4. That is determined because 1 chain equals the height of a single crochet, 2 chains equal the height of a half double crochet, 3 chains equal the height of a double crochet, so 4 chains equal the height of a treble crochet. Now that you know the standard, I like to do it differently because to me it looks neater when I have 1 less chain. So for my half double crochet, I personally prefer to do just 1 turning chain. For my double crochet, I prefer to do 2 turning chains. And for my treble crochet, I prefer to do 3 turning chains. It also helps me remember because double, 2, treble, 3. So for your foundation chain, in my little example, I worked into the 4th chain from the hook, but the standard is that you work into the 5th chain. The only time it ever really matters how many turning chains you have is if you're getting certified. So the main reason I'm bringing it up here is because crochet does have a lot of rules, but there's also a lot of room for creativity. I'm mostly just trying to encourage you to try something different. If it works for you, awesome. If it doesn't work for you, that's fine. Maybe one day you'll meet somebody who's struggling with a certain aspect. I don't know. I'm just really enjoying making videos with a little bit of extra information that you may not find in a book, because I've been crocheting for a very long time and I really, really love it. So I don't want to gatekeep all that information because I feel like my head's going to explode. But there you go. There's a treble crochet swatch, mini swatch, half a swatch, whatever. Happy hooking!